For our handwriting lesson today, you'll need a pencil, a rubber and your jotter. Today's handwriting lesson, we're looking at joining the CK together. So we've got date, Wednesday, 13th of January. We're learning to join CK. So try a line of CK at the top. So remember this C, the curly cut, is about half the size, and the K goes right up to the top. See if you can fill the line. And have a look which one's the best one. I think this one's going to get a little star. I think it's good. Then we've got the word back. So the B is a tall letter, so it should go all the way up to the top and all the way to the bottom, just like the kicking cow. B, A, C, K. And then I think this one's probably the best one, the wiggly line. Then kick. And I think this one's going to get a little cloud. Tick. So the T doesn't go all the way up, but is slightly larger than the I. Don't forget to do a cross through it. T-I-C-K. And then the final one is jacket. So you can join the J or you can leave it on its own. Don't forget to dot the J. And there's handwriting.